What we have is a battery master switch here, used for heavy equipment, just to isolate the battery so the battery doesn't drain when the machine is shut off overnight or for a week or a month or so. This was on my little cat skid steer, and we found that the battery switch here had some corrosion inside, such that it was no longer conducting enough to allow it to start, so I had to bypass it by taking off the extra strap. We looked at buying a new one, and we found that the price is upwards of $110, $120 by the time you pay taxes and so on it. And I thought that was a bit much, so I'm going to open this up and just see, look at the contacts inside, see how badly corroded they are, how badly burnt up they are, and see if I can piece it back together and make it reliable before I go out and spend $110, $120 on a new one of these switches. So we'll take off the handle, put in the vise, and see if we can move this crimping out of the way. Oh, there it is. Well, it's corroded right in there. And inside, one can see it's pretty badly corroded inside too. You can see that one looks clean. That one is pretty dirty. So we're going to straighten up the tabs, sorry, the ring, such that I can pull that out and get that cleaned up inside. Okay, we can see a little better inside now. Remember how these things all go back together. The corrosion there on that one. And you can see inside there, there's three little balls. Oh, those are for the detents, I suppose, yeah. Okay. Alrighty, so all we have to do is clean that up and away we go. So, put that on the wire brush. Oh, heck. I just broke the glasses. Okay, so that's nice and clean now. So we'll put it back together and see what we can do. I'm going to put a little tiny bit of copper slip on that. Just a tiny little bit. Okay. Right, that goes in like so, and then just a tiny little bit. Okay. Right. That goes in like so. And then that goes on. Uh-oh, which way? There's a little nub there that fits in there. So it's going to go like that. And the spring goes in like so. And why is that all dirty already? Get dust on that. I should have blown it out first. Okay, right there. And that one, oh heck, I didn't pay attention. So it's got to be something like that. Yeah. Nope. I got that wrong. Can't be like that. Like that. Okay. And the spring. And then this. Okay. Right before I try to pound all these back into place, let's do a quick conductivity test on that. Okay, we're going to do a quick conductivity test before we crimp all that back together. Okay. Looks like I got it wrong. Aha. Okay, let's take that apart and see what happened. How the hell could I have got that wrong, eh? Oh, so I got it out of alignment inside. Not pushing it up far enough. Put a tiny bit of oil in there. Oh, shoot. Okay, it's pretty good contact now. So we'll tap that back into place. Okay. Well, okay. That'll do. And you see, I haven't crimped it all the way. Okay, that looks pretty good. Alrighty. Well, we will see if it's any good now.